Have you ever wondered what space would sound like if we could actually hear it? When we look up at the night sky, space appears silent, empty, and lifeless. But beyond the darkness, an invisible world of energy is constantly moving through the cosmos. Strange signals travel across unimaginable distances, carrying secrets from places no human has ever visited. For decades, scientists have been listening to these mysterious signals using some of the most advanced spacecraft ever built. One of them is Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was never designed to return home. Its mission was simple yet extraordinary: travel farther than any human-made object had ever traveled and send information back to Earth for as long as possible. More than 4 decades later, Voyager 1 is still drifting through the darkness of deep space, billions of kilometers away from our planet. It has crossed the boundary of our solar system and entered a region known as interstellar space, a place where no human has ever been. But in 2012, something unexpected happened. As Voyager 1 continued its lonely journey, scientists received an unusual signal from the spacecraft. At first, it seemed like ordinary scientific data, but after closer examination, researchers discovered something strange hidden within the transmission. The signal contained patterns unlike anything they had recorded before. What made the discovery even more puzzling was that the signal didn't disappear. Days passed, then weeks, then months. The mysterious pattern continued to appear. Years later, the phenomenon was still being detected. How could a signal remain so consistent across such enormous distances? And what was producing it in the first place? The mystery sparked intense debate among scientists around the world. Some believe the source was related to plasma waves moving through interstellar space. Others argued that unknown cosmic processes might be responsible. To understand the mystery, we first need to answer an important question. If space is a vacuum, how can there be any sound at all? The truth is that sound, as we experience it on Earth, cannot travel through empty space. Sound waves require a medium such as air, water, or another material to carry vibrations. Space doesn't provide that medium. So when people talk about sounds from space, they aren't hearing actual sound waves. Instead, spacecraft like Voyager detect electromagnetic signals and plasma vibrations. Scientists then convert those signals into audio frequencies that humans can hear. In other words, the eerie sounds associated with deep space are not traditional sounds. They are translations of invisible cosmic activity occurring billions of kilometers away. And sometimes, those translations reveal phenomena that scientists still struggle to fully explain. But Voyager 1 is far from the only spacecraft to encounter strange signals in the depths of space. Over the years, astronomers have detected brief bursts of energy arriving from distant regions of the universe. These events are known as fast radio bursts, or FRBs. They appear without warning. For a fraction of a second, they release enormous amounts of energy before vanishing again. Some of these bursts originate from galaxies millions or even billions of light years away. What causes them remains one of modern astronomy's biggest mysteries. Scientists have proposed several explanations. Some believe they are produced by highly magnetized neutron stars known as magnetars. Others suggest they may be connected to supernova explosions or extreme events near black holes. Despite years of research, many questions remain unanswered. Every new discovery seems to reveal just how much we still don't know about the universe. And the mysteries don't end beyond our solar system. Even within our own cosmic neighborhood, spacecraft have detected unusual signals that continue to fascinate researchers. One of the most interesting examples comes from Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede. Ganymede is unlike any other moon in the solar system. It possesses its own magnetic field and interacts constantly with the powerful magnetic environment surrounding Jupiter. When spacecraft passed through this region, they recorded electromagnetic activity that was later converted into audio. The result was eerie. The sounds seemed almost artificial, as if they belonged in a science fiction movie. Yet they were generated by natural processes occurring around a distant moon hundreds of millions of kilometers from Earth. Researchers believe these signals are connected to charged particles moving through magnetic fields, creating complex patterns of electromagnetic energy. Saturn has produced similar surprises. As spacecraft explored the ring giant, they detected unusual radio emissions originating from the planet's magnetic environment. When converted into sound, these emissions created haunting tones unlike anything heard on Earth. To scientists, these recordings provide valuable information about the behavior of plasma, magnetic fields, and energetic particles throughout the solar system. To the rest of us, they offer a rare glimpse into the hidden activity of the cosmos. The fascinating part is that these sounds aren't really sounds at all. They are translations. Invisible waves become audible. Signals become voices. Data becomes something our minds can experience. And through those translations, we are able to explore environments that would otherwise remain completely beyond human perception. Today, Voyager 1 continues its journey farther into interstellar space. Every signal it sends takes many hours to reach Earth, traveling at the speed of light across unimaginable distances. Yet the spacecraft cannot continue forever. Its power supply grows weaker with each passing year. Eventually, there will come a day when Voyager's instruments fall silent for the final time. When that happens, humanity's most distant explorer will continue drifting through the galaxy alone. Long after Earth has changed, long after today's civilizations are gone, Voyager 1 will still be traveling through the darkness, carrying a small piece of humanity into the unknown. And perhaps somewhere in that vast cosmic ocean, there are still mysteries waiting to be discovered. Mysteries hidden in signals we have not yet detected. Mysteries hidden in worlds we have not yet seen. And mysteries hidden in the silent depths of space that continue to challenge everything we think we know about the universe.